Oh, yep, just a quick video, just draining out the petrol tank. So yep, this is obviously the fuel pump. You can see if you can see that there's a lot of corrosion. A lot of corrosion now in the terminals. Hopefully rescuable. Not sure, but yeah, it's obviously a lot of water or something has got in there. If you can see that, of course. There you go. This is the main inlet, I believe, here, and this is probably the recirculation part. I'm just guessing that, by the way. So in there you've got, if you can see that, there's a lot of crud in there. What I've done is I've just rested a bit of old Volkswagen Beetle fuel pipe underneath the metal springs, which I believe is probably the float level part. No, actually, this is probably the float level here. I'm not sure what that part there is, but something else in the fuel tank there attached to those rods. I think this actually is the float level here. Yeah, that makes sense. It's easy to get out then. Yeah, quite clean in there, in terms of the hole otherwise. And then, yep, just draining out petrol here. Obviously very, very old. You don't want to run this through your car. From what I've read, of course, as well. This is probably 10-year-old petrol here. So yeah, I'm gonna get that all out. Looks like these hoses here, sort of potentially well past it. And then once it's most of the petrol's out, I can then start to mop it up, and then once it's basically dry, I should then be able to get the hoover in there and hoover out as most of that crud. Cool. Next job is to fit the window. Obviously, and that's faulty door. Excellent. There we go.